Hi, my name is Narendra from Marwadi University ICT department. Recently, I have completed my third year VTech.
Hi everyone, my name is Raghu. I am from Marwadi University ICT department. Recently, I have completed my BTech that year, and me and my friend Narendra, we both are working as an intern at SVNIT Surat under the guidance of Anand Dathi sir. He has 25 years of academic and research experience in VLSI domain, and we are grateful to work under his guidance. In these 2 months of internship, we have opportunity to explore the cadence tools, uh, Xilinx and Synopsys. These are the VLSI tools which are very useful in VLSI industry. And we are also working on semi-custom IC design, in which it starts from RTL to GDS. In this flow, there are different stages like RTL, synthesis, verification, physical design. To achieve this, we require some VLSI tools like Cadence and Synopsys.
We will gain good practical knowledge from these 2 months of internship, which will help to our career. We grateful to our HOD sir and Mitesh Solanki sir and ICT department for giving this opportunity. Thank you.